Today class about results on bounded sets, and it is very important when you are dealing with the topology on R. Results on bounded sets, very important. First result is every finite set is bounded above as well as below. Hence, finite sets are bounded. Finite sets are bounded, and a finite set by Archimedean property, we know that for a real number there exists a greater natural number. So we have always a greater bound for finite set. Always greater bound in many greater bound. Ops, result 2, each of the intervals, either any type, closed, semi-closed, semi-open, or open interval, are bounded. Each interval of the type closed, semi-closed, semi-open, or open are bounded set, are bounded sets. Also, intervals are connected. You can interval of the type AB or interval of all these types are always connected because these are in R. Let S be a set which is bounded above. Then there exists an infinite number of upper bound upper bounds of S, and this is also coming by Archimedean property. Archimedean property. Result 4, or you can complete this one, because every number greater than an upper bound is also an upper bound. Next result is result 5. Sorry, result 4. Every subset of a bounded set is bounded. every subset of a bounded set is bounded. And this is result 5. If A and B are bounded subset of R, then the set A plus B, and we know that how we write A plus B. This is nothing x plus y, where x is coming from A and y is coming from B, is also bounded. These results are very important when you are dealing real analysis for higher mathematics.